Hello all. Today I'm going to explain you on the production architecture using the Docker, using the front-end, back-end and Nginx container. So this is the flow, like this is the browser and this will next go to the local host and then it will go to the Nginx reverse proxy, and here it will handle both the things, front-end and back-end APIs, Nginx statics, Flask, port 80 and the port 5000, and this is the entire Docker network. So next let me open the VS Code. So this is the backend folder, this is the front end folder, this is the Nginx folder, and this is the Docker compose YAML file. This will control basically all the things like front end, back end, Nginx. So from the app.py, let me open the app.py and it will import the APIs, and JSonify it will convert Python into the JSON files, and it consists some app is equal to Flask. It creates an application, and this will have a root, like this will have a function decorator at app.route, and it will return a JSON message like hello from the backend API, and this will run at the host 0.0.00 at the port 5000, and this is the Docker file. So Docker file is from the Python 3.12 slim. So this is the working directory app.py, and it will copy the requirements.txt, that is Flask, and then it will install pip install requirements.txt, and it will copy all the files, and it will run the file like Python and the API app.py it will run. So this is the backend file. So let me come to the front end file, and this is the Docker file for the front end from Nginx Alpine. It's the Linux version. So this will copy index.html file from, this is the file it will be taking in. So this is the index.html file. So this is the title given as production demo and front end service running, and this is the button to click which will get the backend data, and this will be result will be displayed on this, and this is the response like fetch API, and this is the response. So this is the basically an HTML file. Next is the Nginx config file. So this is the config file, and this is the events HTTP front end, and this is the port number, and this is the backend, and this is the port number, and this server listens to 80 port, and this is the location where it is coming in, and here basically the Docker compose YAML file, basically it will control all the front end, back end and Nginx services. So this is the front end which will build the front end, and this is the back end, it will build the back end, and this is the Nginx Alpine, and these are the ports 8080, and this is the volume, So after this, this is the output in the Docker desktop. This is the images. You get it as front end, back end, and Nginx, and these are the containers like Nginx reverse. Thank you for watching.